Okay, up next we have another box, retro box of 2000 Bowman's Best. I opened this when I was living in Arizona and started a master set. I think I just had just a single box of this. There are some short printed numbered rookies in this. There's also some interesting inserts as well as some jersey cards, game used bats, stuff like that that's randomly inserted. Of course, it's not guaranteed or anything like that as it was during this time frame. But I was, pretty heavily watching the Diamondbacks at this point when I was living in Arizona, so I was opening some sports products. This was one of them that I really liked, so I'm going to open this today and add to the set that I'm working on. So it's another one that's this is a specific set of Bowman's Best is kind of like an acetate feel, so I have a pretty good confidence that these cards are going to be in pretty good condition, even though they're 18 years old at this point. So let's go ahead and open them. Roger Cedeno, Jason Worth. That's a early Jason Worth card. Not sure if it's a rookie. Whoops. Different design than the rest here. Best performers. These are subset cards, and then the base cards are orange. Looking something like this. Orange refractory deal too. Alright, we got our first insert. I think I've had this exact insert before. Nick Johnson. It's a die cut. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is Bowman's Best Bets. So set that aside. A Best Performers of Jeff Bagwell. A early Vernon Wells card. And Larry Walker. Another Jeff Bagwell, Troy Glaus, Jay Gerke. Not familiar with him, but that's also rookie or early card. Bernie Williams and CC Sabathia, also an early card. Not sure if those are rookies or just kind of newer players. I have to double check. Sean Green. A die cut best selections of Nomar Garciaparra. That's pretty cool. I think I've had the Derek Jeter version of this card as well at some point. Mark McGuire, best performers, Nick Johnson, Chris Benson, Andrew Jones, Roberto Alomar, Adam Dunn, Michael Kadire early card. Best performer is Derek Jeter. Nice looking card. They all look like refractors basically for this particular set. Mike Hampton, Raul Mondesi, Sean Green, best performers. Whoops. Tony Armas, Eric Munson. Michael Barrett. Willie Bloomquist. Now this is a rookie. Willie Bloomquist I know because he used to play for the Diamondbacks. This one is sequentially numbered on the back out of 299. You guys probably can't see that, but 2,999. So numbered rookie. Mark Mulder, Gabe Kapler, and the best performer is Cal Ripken. Eric Karros, Benny Castilla, Barry Bonds, Rafael Furcal, and Pablo Ozuna. Fernando Tatis. We got a fan favorites, not autographed or anything, but a pretty cool card nonetheless. Franchise favorites, actually, franchise favorites of Sean Casey and Johnny Bench. That's a cool insert. Jason Kendall, Jermaine Dye, Mark Quinn. It'd be cool to get an autograph out of this. I'm pretty sure there's Brooks Robinson and Cal Ripken autographs in this particular set, if I'm not mistaken. Got a Greg Vaughn. Got a really cool, refractory hull foil look card of Preston Wilson. It's an interesting insert card. Kip Wells. Corey Patterson and Bob Abreu, or Bobby Abreu, as he was later known. J.D. Drew, Andres Galarraga, base card of Cal Ripken, Jeff Cirillo, and Frank Thomas. So lots of Hall of Famers in these older sets from the early 2000s. Pretty cool. There's the Greg Maddux, Sammy Sosa, Pat Burrell, AJ Burnett, Jason Jennings. Move the packs here, they're kind of messing with the focus here. Alex Rodriguez, Rick Ankiel, Ken Griffey Jr., and Tim Raines Jr. Tony Gwynn, Ryan Jordan, Ryan Anderson, Darrell Ward, Ivan Rodriguez. About 2/3 of the way done here, looks like. Start putting the packs over here. Tim Hudson. Another rookie. This one is John Kalinowski. Another one of those numbered to 2,999 in the back. I think you get a couple of those per box. Carlos Beltran, Sean Casey, best performers. Alex Escobar. Matt Williams. This is the very first time I've gotten a game used card out of this particular product. And it's not too bad. Game used bat, it's a holofoil design, but JD Drew. So that's cool. Never seen those before. Those look pretty nice. Mike Messina and Chu Freeman. I'm guessing that's the only hit that we'll get out of this box. Manny Ramirez. Base card, Chipper Jones. Gookie Dawkins, Pokey Reese, and Ted Lilly. Randy Johnson in this one. Ben Grieve, Carlos Feebles, Jeremy Burnitz, and Chad Hermanson. There's Mark McGuire. A non-autographed, unfortunately, franchise favorites of Brooks Robinson and Cal Ripken Jr. That's pretty cool. Alfonso Soriano, Roger Clemens base card, and Ken Griffey Jr. best performers. Got Cliff Floyd, a franchise 2000 of Randy Johnson. That's cool. Best performers, Vladimir Guerrero, Brad Penny, and Scott Rowland. Alright, Alberto Alfonso. An insert with year by year insert of Sammy Sosa and Ken Griffey Jr., 1989. It's kind of a refractory look to it. Peter Bergeron, Pedro Martinez, and Michael Ristovich. It's a pretty good box, actually. I'm seeing lots of familiar names in here. And we got our last rookie in this one, Rubio Durazo. Chris Wakeland is our third numbered rookie. Never heard of that guy. Orlando Hernandez, William Pena, and best performers, Nomar Garciaparra. A lot of stuff in this box, so it's pretty neat. Okay, Nomar, another Nomar base card. Mo Vaughn, Jason Standridge, Mike Paredes, Barry Larkin. Last pack. Robin Ventura, another early Adrian Beltre card. Brian Giles, D. Brown, and Jack Cust. Okay, and the big one was the J.D. Drew hit. Okay. All right. Well, we're continuing on to this retro box break series. These are all boxes that I either opened at one point or didn't have a chance to open, and I'm kind of returning to some packs and boxes that I missed over the years. So if you guys have any questions about any of the cards, availability of any of the cards seen in these videos, please contact us and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.